So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Golang in your Windows 11 PC. So firstly, let's move in our browser and search for Golang. You can just simply type also Go and you can find that the Go programming language from go.dev. Just click on this link. Here you can see that which company is using Go languages, which companies are using Golang. Sorry, that was not Go languages. Now you can just simply click on download button. This will ask you for your operating system. Since I am using Windows, so I will be going with Windows installer. Just click on download. This will take some time. So yeah, you can see that my Go installer is successfully downloaded. I will just click on this. So yeah, you can see that uh, this is the installation wizard for Go language. Just click on next and then again next. Here you can change the directory where you want to install Go. Just click on next, but I will recommend to keep it default. Then again next. Just click on yes. So now this will take some time according to your system specifications. Until it gets installed, I will pause the video recording. So yeah, our installation is almost done. So now we can do one thing. Just simply click on finish button. And now we have to open our command prompt because we obviously need to verify that either our Golang is successfully installed or not. So now what we can do is we can just simply type go. That will call the Golang and type version. If this command runs, that means our Go is successfully installed and is globally accessible from our computer. So now that's it for today's video guys. Now let's see you next time.